In a world that constantly seeks innovation in urban transportation, the Dragonfly electric scooter emerges as a revolutionary breakthrough in both appearance and functionality. This cutting-edge vehicle is not just another run-of-the-mill e-scooter, it's a game-changer that promises to redefine the way we experience electric scooters. With its patented 3D steering system, the Dragonfly fuses power and stability into a single, exhilarating package that reimagines the art of scooting. Developed to provide riders with an immersive and captivating driving experience, the Dragonfly electric scooter enables you to go beyond the ordinary. By leaning on the steering and intuitively tilting your body to navigate curves, you'll feel as if you're gliding through the urban landscape like never before. The Dragonfly boasts a deck constructed from either lightweight carbon fiber or durable aluminum, ensuring a perfect blend of strength and agility. Its adjustable hydraulic suspension adds an extra layer of comfort, making it versatile enough to conquer a wide range of terrains, from bustling city streets to challenging off-road trails. The key to the Dragonfly's exceptional performance lies in its wheels, which are engineered for superior stability and power. Equipped with not one, but two motors, this electric scooter can effortlessly reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour in urban settings, and a thrilling 32 miles per hour when venturing off-road. With a remarkable range of 50 miles or approximately 80 kilometers on a single charge, the Dragonfly offers more than enough juice to fuel your urban adventures. Additionally, advanced riders can fine-tune their experience thanks to an adjustable torque setting, unlocking even higher levels of power when the need arises. The visionary mind behind the Dragonfly electric scooter is none other than Jez Willman. His inspiration came from a personal experience with knee surgery. Recognizing the need for a safe and exhilarating mode of vertical mobility, he set out to create a vehicle that would not only facilitate daily commutes, but also make them enjoyable. The Dragonfly embodies this vision, delivering an electrifying experience like no other e-scooter on the market. As a testament to the Dragonfly's commitment to quality, each scooter is bundled with a comprehensive set of maintenance tools. Should the need for replacements or accessories arise, you can easily access them through the Dragonfly website, ensuring your ride remains as smooth and exciting as the day you first took it for a spin. Priced at $3,995, the Dragonfly electric scooter represents a remarkable value proposition in the world of personal electric transportation. This affordable entry point means that riders of all backgrounds can now embrace the future of scooting without compromising on quality or performance. Dragonfly's commitment to providing an exciting and accessible mode of transportation is evident in this competitive pricing. In a world that constantly evolves, the Dragonfly electric scooter stands as a beacon of innovation and excitement. Its unparalleled appearance and functionality have set a new standard for urban mobility, promising to revolutionize the way we navigate our cities and explore our world. With the Dragonfly, the future of e-scooters is here, and it's electrifying. Thank you for watching. I can recommend you to watch other videos on our channel. Have a nice day and good luck to you all.